Well, guess what? Look what we got back on the bench. So the Dirty Bird's training's got about 15 passes on it. We went to the funny car Chaos, and then we did the flashlight shootout with it. So we're fixing to do about a 5-hour drive down to Pinwell and do some no prep stuff down there here in a couple weeks. So we want to make sure that this training's ready to go, because if we go 7-8 rounds, we're going to be abusive on this training. And like I tell you, these trainings are bad on bushings and stuff like that, not so much on clutches and bands and stuff, but bushing wear. So let's get this thing apart, because we've been putting some heat on it.
And we're going to race for 10 grand.
Yeah.
So you have a lot on the line for 10 grand. You don't want no issues.
No. And that 5-hour drive is really terrible.
There's a lot to talk about on the way home, I promise.
Yes. We've won a few, lost a few. Now this is a quick release valve body, so it has a spring to push the valve back out. That way it reacts a lot faster. So we want the Dirty Bird to have the best of everything. So this is a new PTC converter that we just got back and had it restalled for the second time to make it just so perfect. And it is so perfect. We want to thank O'Kenny over there at PTC, definitely, for sure. So hood looks nice. My PTC sticker.
Dang, gonna have to get a fresh one on there.
Yeah. Let that sit over there and drain. This is my 300M or NASA input shaft, ringless shaft. This thing's been a good one. We beat and twisted and bumped and banged all over this thing, and it just keeps on going. So get a little deep in here. Now this does have a roller bearing tail housing on it. You can see the bearing right there. The standard one to have a bushing. It's got the vent here too, and a vent here. So it's actually got 2 vents. So, but we pump our vent into our container can, so I'll have to show you that later. And we just run a standard rear case support. Nothing special here. They do make a roller bearing style, but I haven't seen any benefit for the upgrade or anything. I don't see any wear. We always run a case bushing here that's a little bit wider than your support bushing, and it does give it a lot more support back here in the back. So. Got the band adjustment here. This is my nice little pump design I made that works really good. We circulate the fluid out of the pan to a cooler while it's not running, and it's been a tremendous amount in temperature decrease.
Especially
In between rounds.
Yes, sir.
I mean, you don't want to be a transmission shop owner and have a tranny break, and believe it or not, it can happen. I know I got all the bolts out of there.
Yep.
Got
That's a cork gasket for you. They hold really well.
Yeah, I like these gaskets. And we didn't put no glue or nothing on them. It's always a dry seal. So this is what the material looks like at about 15 rounds of about 1,800 horsepower. So we bump in about 9 pounds of boost or so, about 4,600 RPM, and we put the coals to it, let me tell you. So it looks really good. And we run a Chrysler filter.
Yep.
Filter looks really nice. Anytime we go out of town, we pull our trannies and check it. You know, especially if it's a big money run. That way we just don't have no issues. Because it is so easy to have an issue. Filter looks really nice. So,
Man, that's pretty.
that is pretty, huh?
Too bad it's got to be in a pan.
Yeah. This is your park spring right here to make it ratchet and park. You hear the click, click, click. This is this stuff working right here. I don't know if you can see that. So, and this piece here is actually what keeps your shifter lined up with your manual valve. You can see it right there. That little slider right there is what keeps it lined up. I'll show you how this looks. Pretty genius idea there. See that? And it just slides in there. That way it don't pull out. Normally this will pull out and you can just pop it out of there. But I got that pretty tight over there to the side.
Oh, it almost tried though. That's funny. Yeah.
It
Oh,
will come
yeah.
out.
It was trying.
Then we got to check. I got a FTI Pro Billet quick release valve body on this thing. I mean, this thing will let go like crazy. I didn't miss one, didn't
I don't think
I?
so.
Maybe. I think one half.
Oh, yep. Yes, they are. Blend in.
But I just can't. It's so bright and shiny. It's getting a
Yeah, it
reflection
is.
off my lights into my face.
Sorry,
But
I'm
this thing
looking
works
through a
really
camera.
good for an old man. So it's all billet, works really nice. No more new breathe on this thing. It releases.
He's not lying.
It works really nice. This is your park stuff here. When you move the shifter, it locks it into park. But mainly I'll go down here and do it quick because I have to order any parts. I'm going to do this and flip it. Well, I can do it this way. I get it from here. And get your forward band. Still looks pretty nice, actually.
Yeah.
See what my 10 clutches look like real quick.
Everyone close your eyes.
Billet hub. Look at that, still look really nice. So
Nice.
we're good to go there.
Good.
How much wear do we got on our bushing this time? Dang,
Good.
really? Not very much at all. Man, I must be easy on the car. I gotta quit doing that.
Something.
I gotta be a little rougher on the car.
Turn her up.
Huh. Turn it up. Yes, sir.
We can do that.
Yeah, we're good at turning it up. Get this billet shield out of here. Get my parts out of here first. Now this is an internal scatter shield that they keep all the parts inside the tranny with, and plus the case is one too. So put that in there. Oops.
Woo!
Did I get your Trent?
I'm taking a bath in tranny fluid.
Here.
It's alright, we're good to go.
Plan it. Clean this up and look at this a little bit better tomorrow just to verify everything looks really good still. But we had a little bit of wear on my sun gear last time and when we put it in. So we kind of want to monitor it a little bit to see how much wear we're getting after so many passes.
Still looks
So that actually looks pretty nice.
Man, I'm telling you, being a cameraman for you is dangerous.
Yeah. I haven't been hard enough on my transmission.
Man, it looks really
Pretty
good. Really good.
Now this clutch here is the one that takes abuse. This is the clutch that releases on the bump box and stuff like that. So if there's going to be wear, you're going to see it through here. So, nope, still look brand new.
Sweet.
So while you see that, that's a 350 clutch. It's a lot thicker than your POWERGLIDE clutch, or your 4L60 clutch is the same clutch. So that's how we learn how to stack them different directions, because of the different thicknesses of the clutches. So
Not bad.
that's good. I'm excited.
Sweet.
We'll get my pump apart and stuff tomorrow morning real quick and get this thing built back up. So I'm excited. Y'all have a good day.